In this video, we will explore how to quickly find the unit digit when adding factorials. The trick is that for n greater than or equal to 5, the factorial always ends with 0. Case 1 is when we deal with n factorial plus a number k. This splits into two simple conditions. The first condition is that if n is less than or equal to 4, then we directly add n factorial with the number k. The unit digit will come from their sum. For example, let's find the unit digit of 4 factorial plus 123. 4 factorial is 24, adding it with 123 gives us 147, hence the unit digit is 7. The second condition, if n is greater than or equal to 5, then the n factorial always ends with 0. So when we add it to k, the unit digit will simply be the unit digit of the number k. For example, let's find the unit digit of 6 factorial plus 129. Now the 6 factorial is 720, adding it with 129 gives us 849, and the unit digit of 849 is 9. Next case is the summation of 2 factorials, n factorial and m factorial. This also has two conditions. The first condition is if both n and m are less than or equal to 4, then we just add n factorial and m factorial, then the unit digit comes from their sum. For example, 4 factorial is 24 and the 2 factorial is 2, adding them gives 26, so the unit digit is 6. Second condition is if n factorial is greater than or equal to 5, then both factorials end with 0 and their sum also ends with 0, so the unit digit is 0. For example, 6 factorial is 720 and 5 factorial is 120, adding them gives 840, so the unit digit is 0. And the final case is the sum of the factorials. This also splits into two conditions. First condition is when we have multiple factorials, then we only consider the factorials up to 4 because anything above 4 ends with 0 and does not affect the unit digit. For example, in 3 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 15 factorial plus 334 factorial, only 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 factorial matter. When we add them together, and we will ignore the 15 factorial and 334 factorial by placing 0, and when we add 3 factorial, 2 factorial and 4 factorial, then we get 32, so the unit digit is 2. For the second condition, if we need to find the sum of n factorials from 1 up to some number n, we will ignore everything after 4. For example, the unit digit of 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial up to 334 factorial is same as the unit digit of 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial, which is 33, which has the unit digit of 3. So whenever the sum starts from 1, the unit digit will always be 3.